Now children, in our second video, we are going to talk about the Mesolithic sites. Mesolithic sites are scattered throughout India. Some of the important sites are in plains of Gujarat, Chota Nagpur, along the banks of river Ganga, between Ghazipur and Varanasi, Mysore and Rajasthan. These are the important Mesolithic sites. Now children, we are going to talk about the Neolithic sites or we are going to talk about the Neolithic age. Neolithic age, it starts from 10,000 years ago. 10,000 years ago. About this, we will study in detail in the next part of this chapter. In detail, we'll study about it, but I can tell you in the short that in this period, primitive means the beginning of the agriculture started in this period. It was a social activity. And now children, our next topic which we are going to cover is about the rock paintings. Can you see the painting shown here? I have shown it in a colored in your PPT also. It is one of the most important source to know about the early human beings. Human beings used to paint it on the walls of the caves, and many of these paintings have survived to the present day. And mainly, what did they draw in these paintings? They generally portray animals. Through these animals, they actually try, whatever they see around them, they only try to portray that on the walls of the cave. Now children, these rock paintings, you can see lots of rock paintings here. Can you see this? These are all from the walls of the caves collected by the archaeologists. In India, several paintings have been discovered at the Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh. Children, these Bhimbetka caves are listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site. The paintings here show mostly animals. Can you see that? All the animals, either as a part of hunting scenes or separately. Birds are shown here, fish, crabs, frogs, scorpions are also painted. Colors are made from rocks and naturally available. Red and white were the most important and commonly used colors of these rock paintings. Now children, before I go to the next topic, I would like you to ponder on few questions. You have to think. You have to try to remember what we have done earlier. So let's have a recapitulation fast through these questions. Okay, my first question is, what is the Mesolithic age? Yes, can anyone think? Yeah, think about it. Yes, children, Mesolithic age is also known as the Middle Stone age, that came after Paleolithic period and before Neolithic period. Very good. It's like 10,000 years ago. What are microliths? Yes. These are the small new stone tools which were discovered or people started making in Mesolithic age. Now, what is a rock art? Rock art is a painting done by the early men on the walls of the caves. Now, which colors were used most in the rock art? Red and yellow. Very good. You have to be very attentive to answer all these questions. What are factory sites? This we done in our first class. I repeat it today also. What are factory sites? Where the stone tools were made. Now, what is the Paleolithic age? 99% of the human history covers this Paleolithic age. Paleo means old, lithic means stone. So, we can call it as a old stone age, divided into how many parts? 3 parts. Upper, middle and lower Paleolithic age. What are core tools and what are flake tools? I am not going to discuss it. You have to do these 2 questions yourself in your rough note book. So I will start now with the next topic. Very important topic of today's class. Ostriches in India. I have given these 2 pictures. These are the this is the painting on the wall of the cave. Can you see? People have drawn the ostriches on the wall of the caves, these early men. And what did they draw? As I told you, whatever they see around them. So they saw the ostriches, that is why they drew it. Even the shell of ostrich egg, that was also found in Maharashtra. Designs were engraved on these shell. So in picture 1, it is an image of ostrich that is painted on one of the caves of rock. And the second one is engraved. It shows engraving on ostrich eggshell. So they both confirmed that ostriches were found in India during the Paleolithic period. During the Paleolithic period. Now children, very important topic of today is the last topic of today's class. It's a closer look of Hansai, which is a site, Paleolithic site. It's in Karnataka, children. More than 16 sites were located here in this area. I have shown you in the map also. See, can you see this? From the PPT also, you also try to find that this is the place, Hansai. Most of the workshops were at this place. It was known as a factory cum habitation site. It was known as a factory cum habitation site. Now let's talk more about this area. Children, these are the stones which were found near the factory site. Granite, shell, limestone are found in this area. Limestone was in abundance and most tools at that time were made from limestone, which was locally available in this at this Paleolithic site. I hope this is also again clear to you. Can you see this? These all stone tools are made of lime stone. Lots and lots of tools were found at this site. When this site was excavated, archaeologists found so many tools that they were also very surprised, and these all tools were made very nicely, and because with the period of time they did not get destroyed, so archaeologists got the evidence about these tools. Now children, I have included one map work also here. You can, if the shops are open, you can get an outline of a political map, and you can look at the map given here, political map of India. This is Madhya Pradesh. I have marked Bhimbetka here. In Karnataka, it's Hansai. Then in Karnataka, it's Kurnool, right? These are the sites. If you get the map, please fill up this. Try to do it once, twice, so you will remember how to do the map work also. It is very important part of the social science that you should know about the Indian map and the places that how to mark on them. So next topics we will cover in the next video. Most of the topics are covered. Now we will just take the differences and some recapitulation, or you can say conclusion of the whole class.